Remember the equation machine? Its points lined up, by surprise. Today, an equation walks in alone, y equals minus 2x plus 3, and wants its picture. No surprise this time, we draw on purpose. 2 recipes on the menu. First, remember the machine episode. Every equation in the shape y equals mx plus c draws a straight line, so 2 points will pin it. Recipe 1, 2 points. Choose any convenient x, often an integer, and substitute it to calculate y. Then a different x, and again, plot both points, take a ruler, and draw the straight line through them. 2 points pin a straight line. Let's cook. Take x equals 1. Y is minus 2 times 1 plus 3. 1. The point 1, 1. Now, x equals 2. Your turn. Y is minus 4 plus 3 minus 1. The point 2 minus 1. Plot them. Ruler. Done. The line drawn. Recipe. 1 works for any equation in the shape I equals mx plus c. Recipe 2. Dot and ride. Plot the y-intercept, the door, mark the point 0, c. Then ride the slope, move right by a positive delta x you choose, 1 or 2 units, and move vertically by delta e equals m times delta x. Up if it's positive, down if it's negative. Mark the second point, and draw the line through both. Now an old friend, y equals 2, x minus 1, the equation machine's line. Its y-intercept is minus 1, dot at 0, minus 1. Its slope is 2. Choose delta x equals 1. Delta y is m times delta x. 2 times 1, 2. 1 right, 2 up. Where do you land? 1, 1. Draw through both, and the machine's line is reborn from its own m and c. 2 recipes, and applied to the same equation, they draw the same line. Watch, recipe 1 on the old friend, choose x equals 0. Y is minus 1. Choose x equals 1. Y is 1. The same 2 points recipe 2 found. Pick whichever you like. One more thing. Look. Both our lines pass through the point 1, 1. 2 different lines can share a point. Remember that. Let's remember. Recipe 1. Choose 2 x's, compute 2 y's, ruler through. Recipe 2. Dot at 0, c, then write the slope. Delta e is m times delta x. Same equation, same line. Pick the recipe you like.